Hello guys, in this video, we will explain how to hide the last appearance or the last appearance was recently on Telegram. The important thing is that we will hide the information about the appearance on Telegram. A simple method that does not require any programs, just from your Telegram account settings before broadcasting in the explanation. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share the video, and thank you from the heart to everyone who does it. Now let's go to the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to do it, which is go to your Telegram account. Then click on the small legend foods that are here, then click on the settings. Then click on privacy and protection. Here, you will find the last appearance. Click on it. Then activate this option from here. Thus, you will have been able to hide your last appearance on Telegram, and no one will know when you had your last appearance. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For any inquiries, any problems, any suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.